is Haeryung. I'm 12 years old. I'm happy to be here. My story is Strange Noises. One night after work, my parents left me with the sitter. Soon after they left, I started to hear strange noises. There was a soft rattle and then a loud crash. I looked around the room and thought, I sure wish my parents were here. Then I heard another loud bang. I ran upstairs and put my head under my pillow. My sitter yelled, "Help, help." I slowly walked back downstairs and could not believe what I saw. It was my kitten Pepper, all covered in paint. The noises were the pancakes he had knocked down. Boy, was I relieved. The end. Thank you for listening.